mochung'ne pewe mag ndeke komakore kod ka tiegruok mar Wildlife Research and Training Institute gi mbalariany ma Bristol sani koro bedo gi winjruok mar tiyo gi ndeke matindo kata drone e rito kuonde dak mag le mag bunge. Chenro ma kamaeri biro konyo e yudo kendo kano nonro kendo rieyo weche mag keto okenge makare mag rito bunge mopogore opogore pachoka. Tiegruok ma kamaeri obiro e kar tiegruok ma WRTI Naivasha, ka bende jogo ma ibiro tiegi biro tiyo gi lony margi e konyo sekta no mar le mar bungu. Sekta mar limbe pachoka en sekta mamiyo Kenya omenda mathoth, ka okenge makamagi ineno kama biro keto Kenya e rang'iny makare rito kendo bero kuonde le ma le odakie.
Study behavior, so it allows you to collect data at resolutions and quality that you simply can't do when you're a researcher with a pair of binoculars just watching the animals directly. It lets you get not only the behavior of the animals but also their habitat, their social environment, just a wealth of information that before we either had to ignore and leave on the side, or we were writing down very crude measurements of it.
If you ask rangers to do a particular job, it puts them at risk, and that risk is reduced by the use of drones. So we're here to support WRTI's effort to bring technology into Kenya so people like rangers can use it to monitor things like rhinoceros.
About 20% of 600,000 square meter is not a mean feat. You will employ many men, you need a different eye. So that's why investment in this technology is very important, so that we can use it, and I'm hoping the developers can make endurance higher. If we can make drones fly for 8 hours non-stop, we'll be reaching out again to KCCA to get this off. We can have a partnership and develop some national regulation on the use of drones, particularly in the wildlife sector, so that it can be structured and information that comes in is used for better, particularly in my sector, for management.